fail me and replace me with brand new characters. And their names are Mickey Mouse and Oswald the Bunny. Oh, I wish I could get back to being a cartoon character. But no, every time, every goddamn time, they have blocked me out and be sidelined. These days, people don't even like me anymore. I'm so miserable. Not anymore, because I can always come and kill you. Anyways, sorry about all that. Please subscribe and click the notification buttons, or else I will come and hunt you down.